Let's see the options of halo setting. You have first the option of the center gem. You can choose any of your choice. You can choose the sizes from your gem chart. You can specify how the prong dimensions are going to be, or you can choose the unit collet, depends on your design again. I'm opting for a bezel for the moment. Here are the bezel settings that you can play with. Below that, I'm going to go for the outer gem. Now, do I want the outer gem to be a plate prong setting? It could be channel setting. It could be micro prong setting. Give it time. Or it could be collet prong setting. Obviously, for each one of them, you are in a position to play with the number, the setting parameters of each setting. So right now I'm going to opt for a plate prong setting, but I may not want it to be differentiating. So I can choose to reduce the gem count. I can also opt to rotate the diamonds. You'll see that my angle of metal has also changed accordingly. If I wanted to change the spacing or the center gem to go up, I can play with the step height. So in one go, you are in a position to create any combination of center and outside gems. You can play with the outside gem. You can play with the center gem setting and the outer gem sizes and settings as well. Obviously, you can play with their parameters. And once you say OK, it is converted into poly surfaces for your peruser.